Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Automotive Rhythms and Throttle Life's 2022 Adventure Tour, powered by GMC, featuring the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X. Come take a roll with us.
Track temperatures reached a scorching 140 plus degrees as more than 700 racers competed throughout the event. Equally as hot was Big Red's attention-grabbing presence, thanks in part to his brawny 2-inch lift. Spectators were in awe, as well as the likes of World Drag Race champion and Caffeine and Octane host Ricky Gadsden, drag racer, race car driver, and brand influencer Destiny Spurlock, James Jimmy McCray, creator of the Slingshot SS Takeover movement, and Team Money Cycle CEO Ricky Will, creator of the Thunderous Motorcycle Audio Sound-Off series.
So this is a step above, you know what I mean?
Yeah. First of all, if anybody would just please give me this truck, anybody that might see this interview, I would take this truck in a minute, and I love the look of it. I love the usability of it. I love the way the bike fits in the back.
Gotta tell you, I'm used to the old Chevy trucks. This is plush, man.
I'm saying, thanks for bringing this incredible vehicle.
What's up, Automotive Rhythms and Throttle Life Nation? We're here closing out our 2022 Adventure Tour, powered by GMC, featuring the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X at New Jersey Motorsport Park at Clutch Control. We have demo rides by Triumph. We have stunt rides by the iconic Team Unlimited with Jason Britton. We've got food, we've got music, we've got a full day of excitement lined up for you. Come take a roll with us throughout the day.